Hey, what's up, guys? So this is the Holtzman Survival Pen and Card. Comes a nice, for a gift, it comes in a nice box like this. Love the box, love the logo. The writing is beautiful. Everything is beautiful so far. So it comes open up like this. So this is the multi-tool survival card. It shows you exactly everything that it has: sewing, saw, sewing knife, trap buckles, everything. It even come with lures. So it looks just like that. You have your knife, your saw, everything you need, your fishing hooks. Pretty cool. So your pen is broken down. So you have a scraper, saw tool, bottle opener, fishing sinker. So you have a flashlight, compass, fishing hook, fishing line, glass breaker, whistle, a hole, paracord hole, flint, and paracord. So you can see here the paracord, all the different, the flick. See everything here, your pair hole, so you use the string right here. So you have the battery, the flashlight. So you have everything. It's pretty nice. It's a long pen that's very nice, very handy to have. You get a free gift. You let them know how was the gift, how was the tool thing. So this is the card. The card is just like this. You have your knife, your saw, you have your little fishing stuff, your fishing hooks. Very nice. Sewing needles. Arrows. Single fishing hooks, of course. Trap buckle. So you have everything right here. So you just break them off and you use them. Here you have your flashlight. Look at that. Very nice. So that's your flashlight. You have a strobe. Very nice. So this is the paracord. So it's basically a string. So now this is the pen. So you can attach this on it. You take one off. Maybe you're not going to use that one, and you put the next one on. Very nice. So there's your glass breaker. So maybe I want to use this one. I just put this one here, and now it becomes my flashlight. And I got my compass over here. So Survivor pen is very nice. Okay. So you have your whistle, your flit. This is where your cord will go at. This wire right here. The material itself is very nice. Look like it's gonna last. Look at that nice little knife. Need it, you have it. You have your fishing weight. And there you go, your fishing string and hook. You have everything you need. And a nice small tool like this. Can't go wrong. You don't gotta carry a lot of stuff. You have everything you need here. Everything. That's the whistle. Everything you need is right here. You don't need to go nowhere else. And you have your flashlight, which it has a very bright LED in it. So that's pretty cool. And then you have your little multi-tools right here. Awesome. Well, this is the tool. It's very, very nice.